Let us proceed with the first song.
Friends and family may stop visiting you. Your home could end up haunted. You can try to hide from the past with a home facelift. Your home will become a stigmatized property. A crime scene cleanup crew will cost you a pretty penny. A bloody mess is a health risk. A bloody mess is a health risk. Your privacy will be invaded by the media. You won't be able to remain in your home. You'll be held for questioning.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care. Bye.